Hey folks, Keith with 93 Lumber coming back at you with another beer. This is a re-review of Oddbirds. It is the Wick. It is a smoked Helles lager. It is 5.4% alcohol by volume. And this was canned, it says month and, they do month and year. So this was crowlered, canned, whatever, last month, June of 2023. I picked this up about 5 weeks ago. I didn't get to it because I wasn't drinking for a little bit, but I'm pretty sure they do like legit crowlering. So I want to say that the guy. It wasn't the last time I was down there, but I believe one time I overheard the guy say that as long as it's kept cold, it lasts for about a month. So we're at a little over a month. So yeah, review. I've had this since then, but I looked it up earlier. I posted the review of this beer 2 years ago on June 13th. Today is July 15th. So it's like a year, 2 years and like a month after posting it. So I've had this once or twice since then though. Kind of a big head on there. That's what, 3.5 fingers of a off-white head. But yeah, that is a nice clear yellow, sunny golden kind of thing going on there. Again, little whiffs of like smokiness. Let's see if I can get a nose on this. Yeah. Yes, I can. And it smells very similar to the way I remember it. Smoky. Little Band-Aidy. A little Band-Aidy and a little leathery is how that smokiness is coming off. And there is a slight crackery thing coming through that. But yeah, it smells really good. Let's see what it tastes like. Cheers. I did take it out of the fridge for a few minutes, but I think it's still a little too cold. It was in the regular fridge. Yeah, the smokiness comes off the same way in the taste. It's a little bigger than it is in the aroma. And that crackery malt thing doesn't come across the same way. It comes across almost the same way. It's close enough that I'm just going to leave it at that instead of trying to clarify. It's close enough. I'll just say there's a little more of like a minerality kind of like thing in the nose that isn't as big in the taste. It's in there, but it's not as big. Yeah. This probably is a little beyond its thing. It's not as crisp as I remember it being. Or maybe I'm remembering it wrong. Who knows? Yeah, because a little bit of like a that bite doesn't come in until after the swallow. It's kind of weird. It's a little bit, I wouldn't say creamy, but it's smooth. Swallow, and then that bite comes in. But yeah, I'm tired. So yeah, wish I had gotten to this sooner. I kind of forgot about it. Plus, I wasn't drinking, so when I did see it again, I couldn't drink it. So yeah, Oddbird. I think I can confidently say that Oddbird is one of my favorite breweries now. I've been there enough times, and everything I've had from them has been good. There's a couple styles that like I'm not so into the like tart beers and sour beers and stuff like that as much as I used to be. Actually, I've never really been into those beers ever, really, but I am less so now. But yeah, I enjoy Oddbird very much. So yeah, I hope you're doing well. Taking care of yourselves, taking care of each other. You can like this video if you'd like to. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You can follow me on Instagram, 93lumber. That's spelled out, 93lumber. And we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.